OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the following list, you need to choose other wireless connections, and here let's tap personal hotspot. Let's create the hotspot by using that switcher. Let's wait a few seconds until the hotspot will be created, and here we've got the icon of the hotspot. Here we've got the instructions. You can also configure the hotspot by choosing name and password settings. Here you can change the name, security type, and the password. Right now you are using the following password. The password must contain at least 8 characters. So if you change something, tap OK. If not, you can go back. You can also disable the hotspot by using this switcher, and basically that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.